first one is about Ariani background. Ariani is Malaysian-based premium scarf brand and it is launched in April 2008. Ariani has always been known for its tasteful head coverings, which is fashion-forward yet maintain the image and the ethos of Muslim, thus creating a perfect balance between style and function. The second one is about vision. Ariani focus on various colors, textures, and prints to produce unique, modern, sophisticated, and elegant products. The third one is about mission. Ariani team are well trained and ready to assist you in finding the perfect style that suits your personality and offers a complete range of modest products for your everyday looks. The last one is about objective. Ariani strives to maintain the balance between the current trends, comfort, and practicality without compromising on beliefs. Entity and its relationship. Relationship 1. A customer can order many scarves or not order at all, and each scarf can only be ordered with exactly one customer. This relationship between customer and scarf order are one-to-many. Relationship 2. One scarf order can make many detailed scarf order, but each detailed scarf order can only be picked exactly one scarf order. The relationship between scarf order and detailed scarf order are one-to-many. Relationship 3. One scarf design can make many detailed scarf order, but each detailed scarf order can only pick exactly one scarf design. The relationship between scarf design and detailed scarf order are one-to-many. Relationship 4. One scarf design can only be applied to one scarf, and one scarf can only choose one scarf design. A relationship between scarf and scarf design is one-to-one. Relationship 5. One scarf must be generated to one scarf price, and one scarf price is generated by only one scarf. Relationship between scarf price and scarf is one-to-one. Next, we will proceed to the flowchart. As you can see in the flowchart, there is 3 shapes. The first shape represents the oval, which is the start and the end of the process. The rectangle is the process, and the diamond is the decision. So in the flowchart, the customer will purchase an order, and it will search for the item, and item in stock or not. If the item is not in stock, customer will cancel the order. But if the item is in stock, customer will contact the seller, and the customer will get the response from the seller. And for the item inspection, if the item inspection is failed, customer will change item and it will proceed to the next process. If the item inspection is passed, the customer will proceed with the item, and the item will be in packaging, and customer will get the bill, and the customer will proceed to make a payment. In payment, they have 2 decisions, whether to pay in cash or pay in debit credit or credit card.
Okay, to describe problem use file system in organization, if company are searching for some information about certain customer but the information are not compiled in one file, it will be hard to find the information that the company need. They will buy many hijab and they will have a huge demand for different color, different type of scarf such as shawl or bawal, different fabric such as cotton or lycra, korea or chiffon, and different weight such as 50 weight or 45 weight, as different people have different tastes and different preferences. Company like Ariani that provide many choices of hijab will be many order of different types of hijab, and they will certainly have difficulties to keep their information accurately, and using normal file system that keep many information separately will certainly not help making their work easier. Mistakes such as collect wrong information and send the product to customer late or wrong product have been sent to customer will make the company get a bad image. Okay, so what we can highlight problem file system as discussed in class. As organization grow and as reporting requirements become complex, keeping track of data in manual file system become more difficult. Company look to computer technology for help. The computer file system be called as data processing or DP specialist. The computer files within file system was similar to the manual file system. When the organization grew, they want to be able to view their data in similar fashions. This generated more requests for the DP specialist to create more computerized files of the business data, which in turn meant that more data management programs had to be created, which led to even more requests for report. As more and more computerized files were developed, the problems with this type of file system become apparent. While these problems are explored in detail in the next section, the problems basically centered on having many data files that contain related, often overlapping data with no means of controlling or managing the data consistently across all the files, such as a lengthy development times, difficulty of getting quick answers, complex system administration, lack of security, and limited data sharing and extensive programming. So, for a solution for problem statement, we can use normalization for organizing the data in database to avoid data in redundancy, insertion anomaly, update anomaly, and deletion anomaly. Normalization is the branch of relational theory that provides design insights. It is the process of determining how much redundancy exists in a table. The goals of normalization are to be able to characterize the level of redundancy in a relational schema and provide mechanisms for transforming schemas in order to remove redundancy.
The objectives of proposed system is to keep the data about customer, item price, item details so that we can easily compile all the data when customer want to make the payment. Second, to backup data if any incidents occur like accidentally delete data or data loss. Third, to lock data by data encryption. For entity relationship diagram, we have 6 tables, which is customer, scarf order, detail scarf order, scarf design, scarf, and scarf price. For customer, we have attributes customer number, customer first name, customer last name, customer gender, and customer city, and customer number phone. For scarf order, we have order number, order date, and customer number. And for the detail scarf order, we have order number, design number, and detail fee. For scarf design, we have design number, design type, scarf, and scarf number. For scarf, we have scarf number, scarf material, scarf name, scarf width, and scarf color, and price code. For scarf price, we have price code, price description, and price fee. For normalization form, relational schema, we have a normalization form. Contains customer number, scarf number, price code, design number, order number, customer first name, customer last name, customer gender, customer city, customer number, scarf material, scarf name, scarf width, scarf color, price code, price description, price fee, design type, scarf number, order date, customer number, design number, and detail fee.
Next is one normal form. It have partial dependency. On the partial dependency, it have a table customer, table scarf, table scarf price, table scarf design, table scarf order, and table detail scarf order. On the table customer, it have customer num as a primary key, composed to customer first name, customer last name, customer gender, customer city, and the customer number. On the table scarf, scarf number as a primary key, composed to scarf material, scarf name, scarf width, scarf color, and price code. Table scarf price, it have a price code as a primary key, composed to price description and a price fee. Table scarf design, design number as a primary key, composed to scarf number as a foreign key, and design type. On the table scarf order, order number as a primary key and composed to customer. Customer is a number is a foreign key, and order date. Table detail scarf order, order number also primary key on this table, composed to design number, and design number is a foreign key for the table detail scarf order, And next is detail fee. Next is a second number form. Second number form, it take partial dependency and all the table put here and all the attribute. On the third number form, we also put everything on the one number form here. Like if have a transitive dependency, we put here also. But in this case, it doesn't have a transitive dependency.
Okay, so for command table customer, create table customer, cast number char 3 not null, customer first name baca 20 not null, customer last name baca 20 not null, customer gender char 1, customer city baca 20, customer no char 10 not null, primary key customer number. For command table scarf order, create table scarf order, order number decimal 40 not null, order date, customer number char 5, primary key order number, foreign key customer number references, customer number. For command table scarf price, create table scarf price, price code char 3, price description bar char 20, price fee char 4, primary key price code. Okay, so for command table scarf order, create table scarf, scarf number decimal 20 not null, scarf material bar char 20 not null, scarf name bar char 18 not null, scarf with small name not null, scarf color bar char 15, price code char 3 not null, primary key scarf number, foreign key price code references, scarf price code.
Okay, next is TDL table scarf design. On table scarf design, the common is we create table scarf design. Then the entity is a design number. On decimal 4 to 0 is not null. We need have a number here. Next design type varchar 18. So the words there have maximum number is 80. So more than 80 will not classify. Next scarf number decimal 2 to 0. There's it's null, so it can be no number there on the table. Next, for the primary key, here is a design number, and the foreign key for this table is a scarf number. Reference scarf is a scarf number. Next is DDL for table detail scarf order. We command table detail scarf order. We create table detail scarf number. On the table, we have order number, design number, detail fee for detail fee. And order number is on decimal number 4 to 0. 4, 0 is not null. We need have a number. We doesn't have number. If not, it's wrong. For design number, also decimal 4, 0 is also not null. Not null is we have number on the table. We doesn't have number. We need have number. Then detail fee as a char 4. That means the maximum words there is a 4. So more than that cannot clarify. It's also not null. That means the table cannot have no number, no zero. That means the dash number dash. And foreign key is that have a foreign key order number, reference scarf order number, foreign key design number, reference scarf design as a design number. Alter table detail scarf order as a primary key order number, design number. Next is DML for table customer. We select from Ariani customer, so we classify a table for customer. So you have like this name. I have a customer number, customer first name, customer last name, customer gender, customer city, and the customer number. We have a customer number. We have A for first, A01, A02, A03, A04, and dash, and the others. And it also have a mail order this scarf. Maybe they want buy for their girlfriend, mothers, or grandmothers, or sisters. So it comes from many city in Malaysia. So also we put a customer number for we can contact them for their purchase have come or was arrived on their house or not. Next is DML for table scarf order. We select from Ariani scarf order. So the order number, their order, and when order was taking, so the order date and the customer number. So who ordered this type from the scarf? For the scarf order, for the order number, and when them order it.
For the data manipulation language for table scarf price, we will select from the Ariani scarf price. You can see from the data table shown. For the data manipulation language for table scarf, we will select from Ariani scarf, as you can see from the table shown. For the data manipulation language, table scarf design, we will select from the Ariani scarf design. You can see from the table shown. For data manipulation language, table details scarf order, we will select from Ariani details scarf order. We can see from the table shown.
For SQL question first, write a query to display customer number, customer first name, customer last name, and customer city. For all customer first name starts with the letter A. The command is select customer number, customer full name, customer last name, customer city from table customer, where customer full name like A, and then we will get the result as the picture stated. For SQL comparison, list customer first name, customer last name, and customer gender. Display only female customer. Sort the result by customer first name. So the command is select customer first name, customer last name, customer gender from table customer, where customer gender same like female. Order by customer full name and first name. The result will be as stated in the table. For SQL logical, list last name, material, and number for all scarf with a 30 width and blue color. Order by scarf name. The command will be select scarf name, scarf material, scarf number from table scarf, where scarf width same like 30 and scarf color same like blue. Order by scarf name. The result will be like as stated. For SQL Special, list code and price description, they have free ranging from 10 to 20 ringgit. Sort the report by price code within price code. The command will be select price code, price description from table scarf price, where price free range between RM10 and RM20, order by price code. The result will be as the table stated.
Next, we use a database implementation where data manipulation language for the group function. So first group function, we list the unique number of customer number that come to Ariani. We select distinct. We use a select distinct customer number from a table customer. So we declare we got a customer number, just only table have customer number only. Second group function, we list the amount of RM50 in detail fee at Ariani collection. So we select count, bracket, stop and close bracket from a detail scarf order where detail fee equal to RM20, where the table we name as a count, open bracket, start and close the bracket, and we got a 5.
The last question for group function is the most expensive scarf in Ariani. First, we will select the maximum price fee from the scarf price, and then we will get the result as the picture states. For the joining tables, the first question is about produce a report that lists customer last name, first name, and order number, and order date. Sequence within order number. First, we will select the C customer number, C customer first name, O order number, and O order date from the customer C and scarf order O, where C customer number is equal to O customer number. You will see the result on the picture statement.
For the second joining tables, produce a report that lists price code, price fee, scarf number, and scarf name from scarf price and scarf order by price code. So the output, the table, price code, price fee, scarf number, and scarf name. Sequence the price code in descending order, and scarf name we get 3 short and 2 bawal. For the third joining tables, list design number and design type from scarf design, and the output we get design number and design type, and design type is eyelash, plain, list, printed and printed.
For subqueries, first question list customer number from city Perak. The command will be select customer number from customer where customer city is from Perak. The result will be in the table below. For subqueries, question 2 list scarf material and scarf number that have scarf name is bawal. The command will be select scarf number, scarf material from table scarf where scarf name in bawal. The result will be as stated in the table. Last question for subqueries is list customer first name, last name and number that have number A15. Select customer first name, customer last name and customer number from table customer having customer number since A15. The result will be in the table.
For the conclusion, what we can summarize here is database system is one of the alternative ways to be an improvement of a business or company. It allows users to stay informed by using these database systems, and it also provides protection and backup that will prevent the organization from suffering data loss and other security issues.